Good morning, class 11 students. In the last video, we started the chapter trigonometry and we started doing few sums. Okay, and the last sum we did in the previous video was two trigonometric functions were given to you, and we need to find the third trigonometric function. The thinking process was a little bit tricky. That the required angle we need to convert into given angles. That is one type of sum. Now today in this video we will do few sums which are all jumbled up all together. We cannot identify that which is of which type, but actually most of the questions are of similar type. Here, how many questions I have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of this is homework, this is homework, this is homework till now. Okay. Now you need to understand, like, all the questions, they look different, but they have a common concept. You need to identify the type of concept we are dealing with. Okay. Now see, in few questions, like if you talk about this question number 1, in the LHS we have one angle. Now before doing anything, let me tell you one thing now. Till now, whatever we are doing some step, we are doing some other step, we are doing some other step, but all those steps we are doing considering what? क्या देख के मैं सोच रहा हूं? From where I identify the steps? Angles. In trigonometry, we always observe the angles before doing anything. Okay, the angles themselves will say what to do, how to do, किस तरह से करना है, कैसे करना है. So we will always think about the angles of the triangle. Angles given in the questions. Okay. Now check out in this question the angles. In the LHS we have only one angle 56 degree. And the RHS we have 11, 11, 11. All the angles are same. That means there are two angles we have. One is 56 degree, other is 11 degree. Okay. Okay. Now see, this question we can solve in two different ways. The first method and the second method. I will say you which method is very important for the class 12. Okay. Let's start with the first method. Let's start with LHS, tan 56 degree. Now what to do with 56? So what we need in the RHS, what angle we need in the RHS? 11 degree. So convert 56 into required angle. 56 को तोड़ना है such that we can use 11. So 56 को 11 से 11 में तोड़ना है तो 56 minus 11 करो कितना आता है 45 degree. And 45 degree standard angle बल्ले बल्ले standard angle भी आ गया. That means in the place of 56 I can write 45 plus 11. So why I have written 45 plus 11 only? Why 45 plus 11? Why 45? No issue. We don't know any idea why 45. Because we know 11 लाना है. अब 45 आ गया, that is just a coincidence. क्योंकि लाना तो 11 है ना. 11 तो चाहिए because 11 is in the RHS. That means we need to break 56 in terms of 11. And for breaking, we are getting 45. So I am writing 45 plus 11. Now, this is in which pattern? Tan of A plus B. So what is tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. Supply the formula. Tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan 45 is 1 plus tan 11. 1 minus tan 45. 1 into tan 11 is tan 11. Now we got 1 plus tan 11, 1 minus tan 11. But what the RHS what we have? Sin cos, sin cos. Cos sin, cos sin के फॉर्म में. So I am converting tan into sin by cos, sin by cos. ये सपना नहीं आया, मैंने RHS देख के किया. ये सपना नहीं आया, मैंने RHS देख के किया. 45 को 11 के फॉर्म में, 56 को 11 के फॉर्म में तोड़ना है. You understand? Now we take LCM cos 11 plus sin 11, cos 11 plus 11 denominator cancel out. We'll get cos 11 plus sin 11, cos 11 minus sin 11. That is nothing but RHS. Prove हो गया. Now second method. I will say you do this method which is very important because for class 12. 12 के लिए बहुत important concept है. अच्छे से सुनना. You have to write something in your notebook here. I'm starting with RHS because अभी तो तुम्हारे लिए नया है. जैसे तुम्हें ये पैटर्न दिखेगा तो ये एकदम रटा हुआ होना चाहिए कि क्या करना है. लिसन केयरफुली. cos sin विद अ प्लस माइनस. पहला पॉइंट. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में cos sin है प्लस माइनस के साथ है. एंड ऑल द कोफिशिएंट्स आर 1. cos के आगे 1 है, sin के आगे 1 है, cos के आगे 1 है, sin के आगे 1 है. So whenever you see this type of pattern, cos sin, numerator denominator with a plus minus, all the coefficients are 1 and all the angles are equal. So ये तीन चीज देखनी है आपको. सारे coefficients 1 होना चाहिए, cos sin होना चाहिए और सारा एंगल सेम होना चाहिए. जब भी ऐसा दिखेगा आपको कहीं divide by cos all the terms. Cos 11 है, all the angles are equal, divide by cos 11 to each all the terms. तो cos 11 by cos 11 1, sin 11 by cos 11, cos 11 by cos 11 1, sin 11 by cos 11. Okay, ये अब तुम्हारे लिए फर्स्ट टाइम है, so please learn the method what you're doing, and then to use that method, that you have to write in your beside somewhere. That whenever you see cos sign numerator denominator with all the coefficients 1 and all the angles equal. Okay, understood? Then we have to divide by cos 11 cos 11. So we got 1 plus tan 1 minus tan. जब भी ऐसा दिखेगा 1 plus tan 1 minus tan. Okay, इसको तुम्हें कन्वर्ट करना है इस पैटर्न में, ऊपर प्लस है ना, तो tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B बनाना है, ताकि मैं इसके जगह tan of A plus B लिख सकूं. तो जब भी तुम्हें ऐसा दिखेगा, whenever remaining quotient 1 plus tan 1 minus tan, both the angles are equal. 1 plus tan 1 minus tan, both the angles are equal. We need to convert this into this form. Something plus, something minus. चेक करो. इस 1 की जगह tan चाहिए, इस 1 की जगह क्या चाहिए, tan चाहिए. So in the place of this 1 I am writing tan 45. I can write in the place of 1 I can write tan 45. Now why I am writing tan 45? Only because here we need tan form. Okay, तो tan 45 plus tan 11. But इस 1 की जगह मैंने 1 ही छोड़ दिया, यहाँ पे tan 45 नहीं लिखा. क्यों नहीं लिखा? Because in the formula we have 1 only in the denominator here. तो इस 1 के साथ मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. 1 minus 1 because it's matching the formula. Next, ऊपर में जो भी है उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन नीचे होना चाहिए. The same multiplication should be here. So ऊपर में what I have written, tan 45 tan 11. So in the place of this tan 11, can I write tan 45 into tan 11? Because tan 45 is 1 into tan 11 is remain tan 11 only, na? So in the place of tan 11 I can write tan 45 tan 11. Now see, this becomes a formula. Tan A plus tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan of A plus B, tan 56, that is LHS. I will say you prefer this method because this method is very handy in class 12. Most of the question, total 4 chapters you have to use this formula again and again. Understood? Okay, now let's go to the next one. Now, let me see the difference between first and second. The first question and the second question, they are look different, but almost the same thing करना है. क्या? यहाँ पे क्या किया? ऐसे दो एंगल है ना, एक 56 है, 11 है. So what I did, I have taken a help of a foreign angle 45 to break it. Clear? But in this question, we have three angles, 70, 20 and 50. And these three angles are interrelated to each other. 70 is 50 plus 20. लिख सकते हैं. और 50 equals to 70 minus 20. लिख सकते हैं. और 20 equals to 70 minus 50. लिख सकते हैं. So I will start with that fact. So when to start with LHS and when to start with a angle combination. Here we are starting with LHS because we have only two angles. Okay, to relate 56 with 11 we have to use some other angle. That's why I was using with LHS and RHS. But in this question, this one, in all these questions, वहाँ ये, फिर ये और ये, इन सब में तीन एंगल है. All are the same type. Let me put a star, star. All these questions, we have three angles. And three angles are interrelated to each other. Then we will not start with any LHS, RHS. We will start in a different way. That is, from the angle combination, we will start the question. Let's do the question. Okay, now see. The second question, tan 70, prove that tan 70 equals to tan 20 plus 2 tan 50. I can see that in this question there are three angles, 70, 20 and 50. And they are interrelated. So I will start with the relation. We know 50 equals to 70 minus 20. Now, जरूरी नहीं है कि इसी से start करना है. You do in your notebook something else. 70 equals to 50 plus 20. Start करो ऐसे. You will get the answer. Don't worry about it. Someone may start 20 equals to 70 minus 50. Those students also will get the answer. Okay? So anyway you do it. Just you need to understand कि ऐसे करना है किस type के question में वो तुम्हारा important है जानना. Okay. So I'm writing 50 equals to 70 minus 20. Now. The question contains tan. So I'm taking tan both the sides. So tan 50 equals to tan of 70 minus 20. Done? Now, apply the formula tan of A minus B. Tan A minus tan B. 1 plus tan A tan B. Done? अब यहाँ पे तो division form में तो नहीं है ना. So I'm multiplying the whole thing. Tan 50 into 1. Tan 50 into this thing. Tan 50 into tan 70 into tan 20. Equals to tan 70 plus tan minus tan 20. Now, इसके बाद, what is the proof that tan 70 should be in one side? So I'm keeping the tan 70 in one side, whereas tan 20 I'm shifting that side. So tan 50 this plus tan 20, ये उधर क्या tan 20 हो गया. अब see, LHS is matching, but in the RHS tan 20 is matching plus 2 tan 50. We have tan 50 is here, but here we don't have tan 50. We have tan 70, tan 20 all. So tan 20 is matching and 2 times tan 50. Instead of 2 times tan 50, we are having single time tan 50. मतलब ये भी tan 50 होना चाहिए. मतलब ये दोनों कट जाना चाहिए. Clear? Understood? तो देखो तो ये दोनों कटेगा. So we don't need to do anything with this. मुझे इसको टच नहीं करना है. We don't do anything with this. We will not touch this one. 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 Why? Because these are there in the question. We will work with only these two. Clear? So let's see what is tan 70. 70 को 20 की फॉर्म में. They are complementary angles. Can I say 90 minus 70? Sorry, 90 minus 20. तो इसको 70 को 20 के फॉर्म में लिख रहा हूं so that we can cancel out because confirm है ये दोनों cancel होगा. Okay, and they are complementary angles. 70 plus 20 is 90. So in place of 70 again 90 minus 20. That is, can I say it is cot 20? Tan of 90 minus 20. First quadrant में tan positive होता है. 90 y axis unchangeable. Sorry, changeable. Tan becomes cot. So it is cot 20. So in the place of now we can write like this. Tan 70 equals to tan 50 plus tan 50 into in the place of tan 70 I can write cot 20. तो ये कैलकुलेशन आप रफ में दिखा दो. tan 20 plus tan 20. Now can I say this thing will cancel out? Why? What is cot 20? 1 by tan 20. Tan 20 tan 20 cancel हो जाएगा. 1 आ जाएगा. So आ गया देखो proof. Tan 70 equals to tan 50 plus tan 50. 2 tan 50 plus tan 20. Proved. Understood? The same question. The same तरीके से हम ये भी करेंगे. Same तरीके से हम ये भी करेंगे. Same तरीके से हम ये भी करेंगे. Exactly same. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो all the here also there are three angles. 3x 2x x. 3x equals to 2x plus x. 2x equals to 3x minus x. Start with any way. Because here tan we take tan. Now in this question 2x 3x x, three angles are there. 2x 3x and x, three angles. Here we have cot. We will take cot. Okay. So let me do that sum again. Okay. Now see the third question. Again I said you there are three angles. So I can use any relation. I am using 2x equals to 3x minus x. You can use 3x equals to 2x plus x. No issue. Now in the proof that we need cot. So taking cot both the sides. Cot 2x equals to cot of 3x minus x. Okay. Now this is a formula cot of a minus b. Now if you don't remember the formula, cot of a minus b का अगर formula याद नहीं है तो tan of a minus b का formula लिखो. यहाँ से एक देसी वे यूज करेंगे cot का formula आ जाएगा. Cot tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b 1 plus tan a tan b. तो what is cot of a minus b? इसको इधर लिख दो. Okay. इसको इधर लिख दो. इसको इधर लिख दो. इसको इधर लिख दो. मतलब क्या? ये उधर चला जाएगा तो cot a cot b plus 1 cot b माइनस कॉट ए. यू अंडरस्टैंड? दैट मींस तुम्हें फॉर्मूला को एक बार ऐसे पलटना है फिर ऐसे पलटना है. ये ऊपर जाएगा और रिवर्स हो जाएगा. दिस विल गो दिस साइड. दिस विल गो दिस साइड. दिस विल गो दिस साइड बिकॉज कॉट ए कॉट बी प्लस 1 अगेन कॉट बी माइनस कॉट ए. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला कॉट ए कॉट बी प्लस 1 कॉट बी माइनस कॉट ए. नाउ सी द प्रूफ दैट पार्ट. देयर इज नो डिनोमिनेटर फॉर्म. So multiply that out. Cot 2x into cot x, cot 2x into cot 3x equals to this. Now in the proof that part we have 1 in one side. So keeping 1 in one side, rest sitting at the side. ये बन गया proof that खत्म. Okay. So मैंने तुम्हें ये करा दिया, मैंने ये करा दिया, मैंने ये करा दिया. ठीक है ना? Now तो let's see और कौन सा करूं. Okay. So I have choose to do this sum. बाकी जो क्वेश्चन नहीं कराऊंगा क्लास में होमवर्क रहेगा. ठीक है ना? So this will be a homework and this I will do. So the 4 questions I am giving you as a homework. चलो ये क्वेश्चन पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं. Given है a plus b 225. Prove that tan a tan b equals to 1. So a plus b 225 दिया हुआ है. One relation is given to you. And you need to prove tan. That is what? Taking tan both the sides. So tan of a plus b is tan of 225. Now what to do with this 225 भैया? So 225 lies where? 180 और 270 के बीच में होगा. तो break करो. Normally we try to break the angle. So try to break with 180. So how to break? 225 को 180 से माइनस करके देखो कितना आता है. 45 आता है. अब इस कहने से 180 plus 45. Clear? Understood what I'm saying? What I'm doing, how we are doing. So 225 is an odd angle, it's not a non-standard angle. So we try to break the angle, like in the previous video we understood. Whenever we face any non-standard angle, we try to break it. The first breaking process is using the terminals. So I'm using the terminals and breaking the angle. So everything is interrelated, okay? Now, after breaking, this is the terminal. So I can use quadrant concept. 180 plus third quadrant में tan positive होता है, तो plus 180 is x-axis, unchangeable, tan will remain tan 45. So what is tan 45? 1. And here, tan of a plus b को खोल दो ताकि we can see tan a, tan b. Then only खोलने से आएगा ना tan a, tan b. Then only we will get tan a, tan b. So that's why opening the formula tan a, tan b. Then this multiply that side. Now see the proof that we got one side. So keeping one on the side, rest shifting other side. This is a proof that okay. Proof. Okay. Now this type of side. Two trigonometries are given to you. Two trigonometries given. Trigono of the angles whose sum is pi by 4 you need to prove. That's one. This type of question thoda alag hai. Trigono of the angles are given to you. The angle sum you need to prove pi by 4. Show that pi alpha plus beta is pi by 4. Tan alpha is given to you. Tan beta is given to you. You have to show alpha plus beta pi by 4. ठीक है ना? Now see. We cannot find alpha plus beta pi by 4 directly. Angles are given to you. You need to find trigono of the angle which you need to prove. Alpha plus beta निकालना है. तुम्हें tan of alpha plus beta निकालना पड़ेगा because tan is given to you. अगर यहाँ पे sin given होता तो sin of alpha plus beta का वैल्यू निकालते हैं. Clear? If it is cos given to you, then cos of alpha plus beta का वैल्यू निकालो. This type of question I have given you as a in the PDF. Okay. So here what is happening? Angles you need to prove and trigono of the angles are given to you. So first you find trigono of the angle which you require. Clear? So I am going for tan of alpha plus beta. Clear? क्योंकि मैं डायरेक्टली alpha plus beta angle नहीं निकाल सकता. Trigono of the angles. Always in every question, trigono of the angles are given to you. I need to find a particular angle. You find the trigono of the angle. Now which trigono? Sin, cos, tan. Depend on what trigono is given to you. If it is tan given to you, you find tan of this. If it is sin is given to you, find sin of. Cos given है, find cos of. तो मैंने tan of alpha plus beta निकाल लो. तो what is tan of alpha plus beta? Tan alpha plus tan beta. 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. चलो वैल्यू डालते हैं. What is tan alpha? m by m plus 1 plus what is tan beta? 1 by 2m plus 1 divided by 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 1 by 2m plus 1. अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. अल्फा प्लस बीटा पाई बाय 4 होना चाहिए. तुमने क्या निकाल रहे हो? tan ऑफ अल्फा प्लस बीटा निकाल रहे हो ना. तो ये भी तो tan पाई बाय 4 आना चाहिए, मतलब 1 आना चाहिए. You understand? That means you already know after solving what you will get. You will get 1. कैसे समझ में आया? Am I finding alpha plus beta? No, I am finding tan of alpha plus beta. That means the RHS after solving this we should get tan 45. Okay, so what is tan 45? Tan pi by 4 1. That means after solving this we should get 1. So let's solve this thing. Take the LCM and all. Let's see whether we are getting anything 1 or not. So if you take the LCM in the numerator, m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Okay, LCM we have m into this 2m square plus m into 1, m plus m plus 1. Okay, divided by अगेन इसको लो लो. इसका क्या आ जाएगा? एलसीएम आ जाएगा m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. This will go this side. That means यहाँ भी m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 minus m. तो सिस्टम ऐसा रहेगा. चलो इसको अभी सॉल्व करते हैं यहाँ पे. तो ये कितना हो गया? 2m square plus 2m plus 1 divided by 2m square plus 2m plus 1 divided by m plus 1. इसको मत खोलो. डोंट ओपन इट. क्यों नहीं ओपन कर रहे? देखो दोनों सेम है ना, कर जाएंगे बाद में. सो डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई. दिस विल गो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. m plus 1 2m plus 1 होल डिवाइडेड बाय, इसको खोलो, m into 2m 2m square plus m plus 2m plus 1 minus m. तो ये और ये कैंसिल हो गया, इसको सॉल्व करो। 3m माइनस m 2m, तो ये और ये भी कैंसिल हो गया, सो 1 आ गया। सो व्हाट यू प्रूव, tan ऑफ अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज 1, जो कि पहले मुझे पता था। नाउ इन द प्लेस ऑफ दिस कैन आई से tan pi by 4, नाउ कैन आई राइट अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज pi by 4, tan tan इक्वल हो गया, ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल, प्रूव हो गया। ओके क्लास, सो rest of the questions please do at your home. Okay, definitely do it. Thank you very much class.